Hello, hello, welcome to a OBS tutorial on how to add effects. First things first, if you guys just want to leave a like, a comment down below for me for the algorithm, I would really appreciate it. And the next thing I'm going to go ahead and do to add effects is you could, let's say you want like scrolling text, or you want your video capture device to do something cool like this blur or anything like that, right? So let's go ahead and add a new text, and I'll show you how to add an effect to it. All right, now that we have our new text, I will say frogs ain't dogs, ain't sogs. Okay, you know what? We'll leave it like that. Why not? A typo. A little inside joke from me to you, right? Let's say I want to add an effect to this. I just right click it, go to filters, and then as you see, effect filters, and then I could add a whole bunch of different effects. And then, like I said, if I wanted to add a scroll to it, that is something that I could then do like so. And then there's a bunch of other different effects and stuff that I could choose from on literally everything. So like, let's take the video camera, for example. I have this filter of background removal on it, which is an effect filter. I could go ahead and remove that. And then now that effect would be removed, or I could go ahead and add any other sort of thing like color correction or anything like that. And I could add effect to that video source that way. And then this goes for the same for literally anything else on DaVinci as well. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, make sure to go ahead and put them down below. But other than that, it's been a DaVinci Resolve tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.